Hello everyone, my name is Jayant Sharma and today I am going to explain one of the poem from your textbook, that is Hornbill. The poem is Childhood. Childhood is the poem which is written by Marcus Newton. In this poem, the poet is trying to find out when his childhood go away. So the very first line, in this line, poet is asking, when did my childhood go? Was it the day I ceased to be 11? So poet here in this line, he is asking to himself, when did my childhood go? Was it the day I ceased to be 11? Means when I become 11-year-old, at that time my childhood disappeared. Was it the time I realized that hell and heaven could not be found in geography and therefore could not be? Was that the day? He is asking, was it the time I realized that hell and heaven could not be found in geography? It means when the child was 11-year-old, at that time he could understand that hell and heaven, this concept of hell and heaven is not there because they are not the part of any geographical area and therefore could not be. Means here he says that his childhood is lost when he became 11-year-old and he could understand that hell and heaven are not the geographical part. Was that the day? Again in the second stanza he asks, when did my childhood go? Was it the time I realized that adults were not all they seemed to be? Here he says that I realized means I could understand that what the adults they are and they seemed to be. Actually, what is their own personality, what exactly they think and what they tried to be, how they seem to be. It shows that was it the time I realized that adults were not all they seemed to be. Here the poet wants to convey that adults they pretend to be something else but actually they are something else. When the child could understand that thing, his childhood go away. They talked of love and preached of love but did not act so lovingly. Was that the day? Now in this stanza the poet is telling that they talked of love and preached of love. Usually the adult people they usually talk about the love, they preach us love, you should behave very lovingly with the other people, but actually they don't love the people or their act is not so. That was the day when I could understand that the adults they are hypocritic one, they say something else and they do something else. In the next stanza again he asks, when did my childhood go? Was it when I found my mind was really mine? Here the poet wants to convey that my mind was really mine means I have the hold on my mind, I could think, I could even imagine. So he asked this question, when did my childhood go? Was it when I found my mind was really mine? To use whichever way I choose. Means I could imagine, I could think, I have the complete hold on my mind. Producing thoughts that were not those of other people. Means my thoughts, my imaginations were not inspired or influenced by other people. So producing thoughts that were not of those of other people means I have the complete hold on my mind, I could imagine, I could even think about myself Was that the day when my childhood disappeared? But my own and mine alone was that the day. My mind was my own and mine alone. There is no influence of other people. I could think by myself. Was that the day when I lost my childhood? This is the last stanza of the poem, in which the poet is changing the question. Previously, in the three different stanzas, he asked, when did my childhood go? But this is the last stanza where he asks that, where did my childhood go? And he gives the answer, it went to some forgotten place that's hidden in an infant's face. That's all I know. Here he says that where the childhood is. Previously he is trying to pinpoint when did he lose his childhood, when he lost his childhood. But here in this last stanza he came to the conclusion that it went to some forgotten place that's hidden in an infant's face. Now the childhood, where the childhood exists, so the childhood exists in an infant's face. And he says that all that I know, that's the childhood is existing in infant's face. Thank you so much.